put on the costume, and that's when it all begins. And that's when it all changes. You see Val walking in and out of here with a straw hat and a pair of Bermuda shorts and a pair of thongs on at night. When he comes out of that trailer with that pallor and he's sweating and he's got all those clothes on and packing those guns, it's a different man.
I think every actor in the show has got their mustache or their beard, which a lot of people wore back then. And the wardrobe is really pretty exciting and different than a lot of Westerns. I think it kind of sticks with us when we're off the set, too.
You know, I know this shirt is an absolute copy of the real deal from that period, and so are the hats. And this movie is going to look different than any Western anybody's ever seen, and I think it's probably going to look closer to what it really was than any Western that's ever been on the screen.
The characters are carrying the actual guns that the real characters carried.
This is the Buntline Special that Kurt Russell carries, Wyatt Earp. We researched it. It has a 10-inch barrel, .45 Colt caliber, and this is the gun he carried in Tombstone, the OK Corral. This single-action Colt here with the nickel plate with ivory grips, and this is the gun that Michael Biehn carries in it as Johnny Ringo, and Val Kilmer as Doc Holliday. They both use the same type of guns. They both like the nickel and the ivory.
I happen to believe if you make it right for the people that know the difference, then the other people are going to get a lot more out of it at the same time.